Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Zoom and sign in with your teacher account. Enable two-step verification for safety. Once signed in, create the meeting now, schedule or start instantly, and configure audio to original sound so Quran recitation is natural. Make sure your camera is set to 720p for legible tajweed demonstrations. You load your PDF and audio files into a single lesson folder on your desktop for quick sharing. Then, invite students by email or meeting link and confirm mic access before beginning the recitation. You start the lesson by sharing your PDF and switching to annotate so you can highlight verses and tajweed marks in real time. Once done, ask a student to unmute and recite, then use remote control or ask them to share their screen for direct feedback. Make sure to toggle between gallery and speaker view for group versus one-to-one focus, and spotlight the reciter to reduce distractions. Record with consent, so you can review pronunciation and progress after class. You close the class by giving a 2-minute recap and assigning precise homework. Record a 1-minute recitation or listen to time-stamped audio. Then stop recording, export the file, and upload lesson materials to a shared folder labeled by date and student. If audio or video lags, first ask students to stop video and close other apps, then lower Zoom video quality to conserve bandwidth. If problems persist, restart the meeting or ask the student to join by audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.